Hi everyone, this is Rabbi Nias from CRC Kosher with a short video on how to make an Eiruv Tavshilin. This year we get to do the mitzvah on Erev Pesach on Wednesday because Yantif is Thursday, Friday, goes straight into Shabbos. If we wouldn't make the Erev, we would not be able to make preparations on Friday, L'Kavod Shabbos. So the idea is, if we start preparing on Wednesday, then we can continue those preparations on Friday, L'Kavod Shabbos. Who needs to do it? Everyone. Every household which prepares for Shabbos has to make an Eiruv Tavshilin, but one is sufficient for the entire household. What do you need? Matzah, hard-boiled egg. Very simple. How do you do it? Well, you take the two items, the matzah and the hard-boiled egg in your hand, and you look in the front of any siddur, machzor, or haggadah. Look for the Eiruv Tavshilin. It consists of two parts, a bracha and a statement. The bracha is straightforward. Baruch atah Hashem, Elokeinu melech haolam, asher kiddushanu b'mitzasav v'tzivanu al mitzvahs Eiruv, followed by the statement Bahadein Eiruva. That statement is Aramaic, and therefore one needs to understand what it means. So if you don't understand it, make sure to take an English machzor or Lashon Kodesh. Both are fine as well. And the idea is that by taking this Eiruv, we're permitted to do all sorts of preparations for Shabbos. Of course, they'll not permit any type of electrical work or turning on ovens or plugging in crockpots. Those all have to be done before. So it only helps to avoid the preparation issue, because normally one is not allowed to prepare on Yom Tov for Shabbos. The Eiruv Tavshilin helps it. It's critical that these items, especially the hard-boiled egg, stay intact until Shabbos begins, after all the preparations and the candle lighting is done. Most people save it on Shabbos. They use the matzah for Lechem Mishnah, and they save the egg, the hard-boiled egg, for Shal Shudas in order to do another mitzvah with that. It's fairly simple, and feel free to check out our extended article online at crcweb.org for an extended version of the Eiruv Tavshilin article, which also does appear in our Pesach guide. Wishing everyone a happy Freilich and Yantif Kol Tov.